check this one out. We just took this one in. This is a Caliber RT edition. It's exceptional in condition. It's been all serviced with tons of new stuff. Factory chromes, factory sunroof, two-tone interior. It's the RT pack. It's got the premium sound, all power options. It's extremely well maintained, no accidents, clean Carfax certification. Just traded into a local Nissan store on a brand new vehicle. Runs and drives perfect. 3-month, 4,500 mile service contracts included at this vehicle at internet price. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle. And starting down payments on these Calibers are going to be around $595. Black two-tone interior, chrome wheels, factory sunroof, loaded up RT pack, $595 starting down. Come and get it, DasCleveland.com.